Troubleshooting IPv6. Let's have a look at the most common things. The most common is probably ping. Ping on Linux is now ping 6. And you still do the same with DNS, ping6 google.com. You get a reply from the IPv6 address of Google. You can verify your IPv6 reachability using this command. If you want to check out the routing path to Google, you will do a traceroute 6. That's different from traceroute in IPv4. The only difference is the 6. You can see the path. This is totally IPv6. And it helps if you want to find out if there is a specific path that's not working, or maybe your router is doing something wrong and you can check that out. Another thing is MTR. That's my traceroute. I really love it because traceroute only gives you one view of this one time that it's running. An MTR is always sending packets, always receiving packets. It's like an integration of ping and traceroute. So you can see the path, you can see received packets, sent packets, you can also see drop packets, and you can see the percentage of loss live. With the regular ping, you can only see it when you terminate it, when it's not running anymore. And in this case, you see the latency, you see jitter, you see deviation. It's a really nice troubleshooting tool. Let's have a look at some DNS tools. If you want to check out the IPv6 DNS record for google.com, you can use dig. Dig is my favorite DNS utility, but you can also use NSLookup if you like. So I do a dig quad A for google.com and I receive the IPv6 address of google.com. I can do the same in reverse. I can do a dig-x, which is the request for the pointer. So that's the reverse record. And I get back the host name of the server that google.com is running on. In this case, it's a big data center somewhere, and it's one of the many hosts that Google has. If I want to find out the name servers of a domain, I can do the dig-ns. In this case, you can see that the name servers reply with a record, IPv4, and also with a quad A record. And if you have a domain, you want to have both records, you want to be fully IPv6 enabled. It's 2015, do it, it's a good thing.